guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a brand new video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be trying out some Hairfinity products today. We're gonna see what they do not do, and all of that. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I received some products from Hairfinity. Shout out to Hairfinity for sending me these products. So the brand Hairfinity is mainly known for their hair vitamins that help promote hair growth, but they also do have hair products. I have never tried their hair products before, but I did know that they did offer hair products. So the fact that I received these products, I was super excited to try them to see what they do or what they do not do. So I'm gonna go through the demo first. I'm gonna show you guys how it worked on my hair, how I used it on my hair, what it did, what it didn't do, give you guys all that tea, and then I'll be back to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions on the products and what I thought about them. So let's go ahead and get started. So I started off by using Hairfinity's Gentle Cleanse shampoo. This shampoo smells so amazing, and it has scents of sea salt, hibiscus, and other essential oils. This shampoo claims to cleanse, refresh, and remove product buildup with this hydrating shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural moisture. And the key formula ingredients of this shampoo is the Capsulana complex, which is a powerful blend of bioactive hydrolyzed collagen, MSM, and horsetail, which helps promote hair growth. This shampoo contains over 74% natural ingredients, including water, and it's free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. And is it really wash day if you're not singing and jamming in the shower? Comment down below and let me know what you think I was listening to. But this is my hair after I rinsed the shampoo out. I honestly wasn't too pleased with the performance of this shampoo. My hair felt very dry and like clumpy. I don't know, it just felt really weird. But moving along, I followed up using Hairfinity's Balanced Moisture Conditioner. This conditioner retails for $20, and it claims to be a moisture-rich formula, gently detangles, smooths, and replenishes hair to its optimal moisture level from root to tip. This conditioner is infused with Hairfinity's exclusive Capsulana complex that delivers a unique blend of bioactive, hydrolyzed collagen, MSM, and nourishing horsetail. And as you guys can see, I had to use a lot of the conditioner. I think it was because my hair was so dry from the shampoo. But while I had the conditioner in my hair, I went ahead and took my white tooth shower comb and detangled my hair and rinsed it out, and this is what my hair was looking like. I then went in with Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask. This hair mask retails for $29, and this hair mask claims to give your hair a deeper infusion of moisture with this reparative hair mask infused with relaxing scents of sea salt, hibiscus, and essential oils. Amino acids fortify each strand for your hair that's stronger, smoother, and more elastic. This hair mask has been proven to reduce breakage of up to 90%, and it's also formulated with Hairfinity's exclusive Capsulana complex. So this hair mask, you're supposed to leave them for 15 minutes and go ahead and rinse it out. So that is exactly what I did. And this is a protein mask, so you want to make sure you stay true to that 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I went ahead, took my hair down, and rinsed it out. And y'all, this hair mask did wonders. The fact that it was a protein treatment and my hair was just so like moisturized, voluminous, and just feeling so great afterwards was a plus to me. So I was in love with the hair mask. So after the hair mask, I followed up using Hairfinity's leave-in conditioner, and I basically applied this to my hair while it was wet to help lock in that moisture. As you guys know, if you're not new to my channel, I always tell you guys, do not leave that shower without a hair milk or a leave-in conditioner in your hair. That helps you maximize the retention of moisture to your hair. So this leave-in conditioner was really good. My hair felt really moist, and it did a great job prepping my hair for the next step, which was styling. I did do a wash and go, which you guys are gonna see next. But y'all, look at how voluminous, soft, and just my hair was. So I hope you guys enjoyed that demo and just seeing how it worked on my hair and all of that. So now I'm here to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions on the products that I used in my hair today. Just so you guys know, I did all of those steps that I showed you guys in the previous clips, and then I just went ahead and did a wash and go with my go-to wash and go products. I'll have a separate video on that coming within the next few weeks on the products that I have been loving on my hair recently to do wash and goes, so look out for that video. But to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on today's product. So what I received from Hairfinity was their split and mender kit, which is she. So in this kit, it gave us the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. And in addition to this kit, I also received the hair mask, which we use today. So this kit, I'll go ahead and put the price on the screen, as well as the hair mask in case you guys are interested in purchasing. You guys have a sense of the price. The products used today are a little bit more expensive than other products that I usually use. So I would say that one of the cons of these products are the hair prices in comparison to other products that I use, other products that you guys may use that you have already found that work on your hair so well. So I would definitely say that the price is a little on the higher end. So the first product that we used today, which was the shampoo. The shampoo to me was very drying on my hair. I'm gonna keep it a stack. I thought that it dried my hair out, and the claim of the product said that it removes buildup without drying, and I didn't get that experience at all. So I was kind of disappointed. So this shampoo I can't see myself really using again since it did dry my hair out. The only pro of the shampoo for me was the scent. The scent is very strong, it's very satisfying. I love the scent of it, and I was more pissed off that it didn't really work on my hair because I was like, oh my god, this smells so good. But then after I saw that it didn't really do what it claimed to do, I was very disappointed. So after using the shampoo, I did follow up with the conditioner, and y'all, this conditioner was so great. Like, my hair was just so buttery and silky, and it just felt so great. So after I used the conditioner, it did kind of like restore the moisture of my hair since the shampoo did dry out my hair a lot. So the fact that this conditioner was able to revive my hair so much, I can definitely see myself using this conditioner again. The next product was the hair mask. So this hair mask I kept on for 15 minutes and then rinsed it out, as you guys saw. And this is a protein mask. So what I can say about this mask is that a lot of protein masks that I have tried have dried my hair out just because protein is such a strong thing. But this hair mask was very soft and soothing on my hair. I felt like my hair was very moist and shiny after using this hair mask, so I can definitely see myself using this hair mask again. The only thing, I don't know if you guys can see, but in my one use, I kind of used up about 75% of the product. So I honestly don't even know if I have enough. I don't even know if I have enough to like do another deep conditioning session. So I would say a con of this product is the amount of product that it comes with, but I can definitely see myself like even going and repurchasing or purchasing this item on my own to use it just because it was such a great protein mask for my hair. And then the last product that I used, which was the leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner, one, because the spray top made it super easy to apply this leave-in to my hair. As I told you guys earlier, as I'm always going to tell you guys, do not get out. Don't you dare get out that shower without a hair milk, a leave-in conditioner in your hair to make sure that she is moisturized and ready to be styled. And this leave-in conditioner did it for me. I felt like this did a great job moisturizing my hair and prepping my hair for the styling that I did today, which was a wash and go. So I would definitely see myself using this leave-in conditioner a lot. It just like absorbed into my hair. My hair was like nice and voluminous. It didn't weigh it down. So I'm super here for this leave-in conditioner and can definitely see myself using it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I have for now. Thank you again, Hairfinity, for sending these products over to me, and thank you all for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts, opinions, and all of that. If y'all have any questions, don't be afraid to leave them down below. I'm always chitting and chatting down in the comments below. Before you guys head out, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications because I have so many great videos coming for you guys in the coming days and the coming weeks. Our 1-year anniversary is coming up, so it's about to be a very big thing. So make sure you're tuned in for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that I know and other people can get to see this greatness. And as always, I'll go ahead and include my recent uploads on the screen in case you guys are not caught up already. And until my next upload, I will see you guys later.